filming a Chevy Cruze 1.4 liter turbo teardown. You can see you got a broken timing slide, but then when you look a little further, you'll see there's a lot of carnage and junk inside of that oil pan there. That looks pretty bad. Moreover, if you look at the top here, piston number 1 has completely left the chat. Check out that giant window it made in the cylinder wall. Luckily it's an iron block and it didn't exit the block and hit the driver or something. Check out all the debris inside of the oil pan from that piston that completely exploded. So it actually did make a giant hole inside of this cast iron block, which is pretty impressive. And if you check out the cylinder head here, you can see it got completely obliterated, really damaged up. Make sure you stay tuned for the full teardown video.